Holy shit, I just fucking ripped the nastiest, bro. I should have been recording. Oh my god. One more time, one more time. Again. Which one? Really? All right, no more. Holy fucking shit. One more time, one more time. Yo, I'm fucking famous out here right now. Yo, this is fucking... Yo, no! Yo, that shit was nutty. I was about to fucking melt my exhaust just now. Alright, yo. It's been a while. I just did a nasty photo shoot. Hold on, let me check my pipe. Make sure this shit not about to...
My pipe wouldn't let me burn out.
No? Oh, because you got extra weight.
Yeah.
Under the tunnel. I'm on some shit right now. I fucking love this bike, but I am trying to sell it, guys. I am trying to sell it. Yo, that shit was crazy back there.
Yeah.
That shit was absolutely fucking crazy.
I was like, what the fuck?
Yo. Keep that shit. God damn it. You like that shit? You like it?
My bike wouldn't let me burn off a shit.
All the extra weight. fresh video, I'll be honest. I've been taking care of some things, you know. Doing responsible things, in other words. But it's a beautiful day outside. We did like 3-4 burnouts today. Not good for the tire, but you know, budget. We gotta replace that shit soon with all that burnouts. Running down the tire flat in the center, but it's alright. But we outside with my boy. And his girl is backpacked, so we can't do much crazy shit. We outside nonetheless. We're gonna go for a clean cruise. Nothing crazy. I know you guys been asking for like a calm video or whatever. And I can provide that. But yeah, man, you know, hanging in there, enjoying life, doing my thing. You know how it is. I have been riding, you know, sometimes most times lately I haven't had my camera with me, which is my fault because I've had some nasty footage, well, nasty potential footage, but it is what it is. I didn't have my camera for it. But yeah, we outside, we chilling. But yeah, to talk about this bike, right? I am trying to sell it. So as a result of me trying to sell it, the only reason why I'm trying to sell it is because obviously I'm trying to get a 1K, and I can't have two bikes right now. While I would love to have two bikes, it's just not in store. So this bike is up for sale currently on the marketplace. If any of you guys are interested, I do have title. You guys see the bike in the videos, and on my Instagram page, you know, I got pictures of it as well. Well, not pictures, I got mainly videos and shit. But yeah, no, you know, I just want to get rid of it, so okay, I'm trying to get rid of it soon. Not exactly in a rush, but you could say I'm in a rush. So if any of you kind YouTubers or viewers, YouTuber viewers, would like to pick up a Gixxer 600 2006 with roughly 17k miles, let's see what it says on the, I can't find the button. Whatever, it's like 17k. very fun. Fun indeed. That poor girl holding on for her dear life. Got my hat. We good money. Surprising that shit holds on for pretty good actually at a high speed rate. Okay, FDNY. Nobody's home. Nobody is home. Nobody's home.
Huh?
Nobody's home.
No. Roche is texting me.
What he said?